Okay, this is Geometry Section 9.4, and in this lesson it's going to be entirely word problems using the Pythagorean theorem. So, the first question says, what's the longest stick that will fit inside a 24 by 30 by 80 inch box? So this one takes a bit of visualization. So let's assume we have a box. I'm going to try to draw this three-dimensional as best I can on my computer. And its dimensions are 24 by 30 by 18. So we'll say it's 24 inches tall, 30 inches long, and 18 inches deep. So if I can draw a right triangle in the bottom of this, we'll say right here. Okay, switch to black. If we draw a right triangle on the bottom here, it has two legs, and those two legs are 18 by 30. So I can determine the length of that hypotenuse by doing 18 squared plus 30 squared . (18 squared plus 30 squared is 1,224. And then if we square root that, we get 34.985. I'm going to round it to 35. So I have the length of the hypotenuse right here is 35. Now that is going from this corner to this corner, but the longest stick will actually go from this corner to this corner. So I'm going to draw a new triangle in here. This is one leg. Here's the other leg. And then the hypotenuse is now the longest side. The first leg has a length of 35. It's the same as the hypotenuse of the first triangle. And then this leg right here is going to be the same as this one, 24. So if I use the answer from my first hypotenuse along with the other number I didn't use yet, that will tell me the hypotenuse of the new triangle, which will also be the length of the longest leg. That'll fit inside the box. So we'll do 35 squared plus 24 squared, and I got 1801, and the square root of 1801 is 42.4. So the longest stick that'll fit from this corner to this corner, that's the front, bottom, left corner to the top, back, right corner, would be 42.4 inches. So each of these problems is a little different, but they all require you to draw a right triangle and use the Pythagorean theorem to solve them. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.